no want look so no say. You know so I look me now. I be a gobble. Every day I should have gobble and no Thanksgiving like a turkey. Me no want looks, Jayden. Me no look looks. Oh. No want me look for Jayden, you know cute. What's that? Jayden, you know cute. Yesterday get girl. Candy not even know an H paper. I probably lost a backbench. Candy cuss every day. Candy look old, Candy look bigger than out and fuck out and beat out. Candy if you went to your beat out, blood clot. Candy look
not only look revolt.
Candy revolt. Candy go with a dollar breast, a dollar tree breast, fling so. But you gonna do BBL and lipo. You better blood clot do a breast lift to girl. And every day you talk to your old good and no boy no tell you talk about it. Candy man want to know. All the time 3 boy fuck on now and get battery. Move your dirty blood clot and go out of the like Candy and we Candy you clean out your closet. Go learn to put your bed. Go fix your kitchen and wipe your floor. Nothing, girl. Go learn to keep blood clot, man. Go learn to keep, man. Cause for up here kill feel like you're alone at one donor and blood clot one you. Everything you put your face gets donor, twist it sideways. And you alone a customer donor, you alone want blood clot donor. Man don't buy it, you see. Your baby father come use you, go and use your blood clot come like a swing song.
Yes.
Until him nobody want you in cut. You're out there and not blood clot. Nobody don't want to see you. No superstar don't know you. Your Cuss cartel should get invite for a show. You're going to sexy walk. Move your blood clot, you grab me sexy walk. Your Cuss sticky man at you don't get no lion. Nobody don't know you talk big noise. You get a BMW, you get a what? Go and go sit down. You know no name, you have to pay for your body. Everything we get have free, we have name. Candy, you can't size up against me, Candy. Candy, you fuck for your eye, your blood clot knee. And you don't have nothing for sure. Look how nasty creep up Marble girl. Move your creep up back her naked, pant back her blood clot, pant back her labor. Candy move your naked river stone blood clot. And what you stop put on two pieces of shall gun? Candy, you have somebody? Nobody know you're dirty girl.
Add somebody else, Jayden.
Yes. Remember, so she usually Saturday fans only. That would have to.
A blues close the girl. Blues close. Blues the blood clot girl. A blues bossar.
Bro, me a go up with that push up on big old long dildo. I tried dildo big people.
Tell the biggest blackest dildo.
One big old dildo girl up in that wall.
Can't move her blues.
They wonder how he wall like crutches. I remote the girl up in that crutches.
Yeah, she put remote in her,
Remote dildo everything.
Candy from my bottle to my mother, Candy from my bottle to my mother, me look good, Candy. Candy, your face all this time, security for your dirty blood clot body, Candy. Candy, no man know why you have to secret down with. Candy, no boy now post you. No boy now walk with you, Candy.
Yeah.
Candy, move for yourself. Candy, every cock in a blood clot, Jamaica know about your jawbone.
Yes, true.
Outside and face it. Which boy go own a girl? When the hot blues blood clot clothes and every cock in a then jawbone. Hey, Candy, you a fool, Candy. Candy, you a fool. Candy, when you skin out your blood clot pussy and you feel the river mouth in a flat bridge, yes, sir.
Yes.
With the water under you, suddy like your blood clot sick. I don't know who a trick you. I don't know who a fool that dirty Candy. Oh, nobody know why you. You know, so that anything your baby father broken can link you.
Yes.
Move your outside and up. Move your back up on your dirty big old dirty Candy. Dirty squasher bank pussy Candy. Where every blood clot man in their line up in your pussy blood clot.
That's my dear, Jayden.
Money. You're outside and move your squasher bank. Hey, Candy, take a map, man, and go map out your big squasher bank pussy. Outside. Go on, Donia. Hey, little girl, you hate me. And you always come about me, you hate me and grudge me no blood clot. You grudge me, then if me no cute, you grudge me so. And if me a 43, you grudge me so. Who am I young, dirty girl? What would happen to you? You that drop blood clot dead. Buff him. You that boy if you superstar, no, you know superstar, no blood clot, no, you Candy. Candy go back on the rock and see blood clot web. Couldn't me come out dirty fuck out little girl. I couldn't me come out fuck out little girl. Cause hey, man, you see how man fuck una do no? Eh? You big keynotes up on the bed, man, fuck una does a shoot cock in on the moon. Every blood Jamaica know your jawbone. I wish boy you think go take up your wife, yo. Everything you gonna do on her face, don't turn when blood clot dead. So then they go like I'm a fuss.
Yeah.
I nobody ever chat to Candy. Cause Candy arms out, Candy can blood clot dress. I want them to throw 2 pieces of clothes for Candy feel like him a blood clot somebody. Candy have somebody? Candy have blues clothes.
True.
Candy if you go argue with the girl with dancing at moods. And go argue with the girl with dancing at taboo. Now argue with we. Cause we are Candy no class. No farm, no nothing, no Khandy first as a blood clot. I'm jelly they run gimmicks, you know. Man, but trouble this little girl yet. I got to talk about how much. Me have a rough down. I chew me a down and I have not, me no want to talk some blood clot things, you know.
No, man, talk it, man.
From Khandy. Everywhere Khandy go beg fuck. Khandy got blood clot. England, I see Roger brother and I'm blood clot. How much series, what one name? Beg. I want the man for fuck him and the man no fuck him.
Donia, Dyema, remember that Dyema? You see when Khandy shoot kids and them thing there, that means he round the table talk. So him and Donia keep on talk.
Nobody can round the table talk for me.
Around the table talk, man. So from Khandy not like you, Donia not like you neither.
Khandy none of Khandy none of them friend them. Never catch a cocky back on me yes, but like a split tail a blood clot. Khandy has somebody? I'll talk about your superstar you have song. You have somebody Khandy? You have somebody Khandy bend down and smell the pussy, man. Bend down, smell the pussy and wash out your pussy with liquid soap.
Yes.
Where? And fuck them, the girl walk and sell fuck like a dog. Go England and look blood clot, Roger Cousin. And the man just can't go eat little dinner and left him back and hotel and look upon him a bumbo clot. Look a cum bucket. Can you move your cum bucket blood clot? Cause I in your mouth. Every boy walk and come in your mouth. Go a cum bucket. You can't talk to me. You can't talk to me. Can you not get no bookings in the cabin by Roger and no blood clot England? Look, can you no bookings you get, girl? I fuck you come for sell. I fuck you go by England for sell. Oh, Tada.
Our life, son.
I see some man now come chat up on no more, but me hear the girl. I'm if stay from here, the girl. And the girl hear me long time, Jayden. Me and the girl a play one cussing game one day. The girl a go cuss by me pussy sell man a prison. A long time she hate me. And I tell me if you go suck on my mama, long time the girl hate me. And the girl chat to me through chat. See, me not play hypocrite. Me not play hypocrite. But me hate me because me want to. No, me want to do it. Khandy me a forever 21 and blood clot under me go Khandy. Don't in my age group a blood clot. Forever 21 and under no blood clot me go. Oh. A pedigree me blood clot go. Me no go mongrel. Forever 21 and under me go. Don't in my age group a blood clot. You out harder. I'm feisty. I'm bright. Then if me could have want it, then if me really want Donia no Khandy, you could have sweet my foot off a ground. All comes. Donia not own you. Almost 1 year now you the own Donia not own you. Everything you put a face on a blood clot Donia shift you. Khandy no man now go own you because you come bucket. I wish boy go own one blood clot girl when they have blues clues and walk with them. Who go own you? No boy now own you. Only thing the boy have to do walk and clean them blood clot rifle.
True.
I wish boy go take up you now and go bust out a kiss in a face now. Wish boy go bust out for your tongue now. When any boy bust out your tongue, bust out, be a cocky. Any boy bust out your tongue, I'm ask eat and them there. Strictly licky back no blood clot. Any boy bust out, so then they go like I'm a fuss.
Yeah.
I nobody ever chat to Khandy. Because Khandy arms out, Khandy can blood clot dress. I want them to throw 2 pieces of clothes for Khandy feel like him a blood clot somebody. Khandy have somebody? Khandy have blues clothes.
True.
Khandy if you go argue with the girl when dancing at moods. And go argue with the girl when dancing at taboo. No argue with way. Because we are Khandy no class. No farm, no nothing. Khandy first as a blood clot. I'm jelly they run gimmicks, you know. Man, but trouble this little girl yet. I got to talk about how much. Me have a rough down. I chew me a down and I have nothing. Me no want to talk some blood clot things, you know.
No, man, talk it, man.
From Khandy. Everywhere Khandy go beg fuck. Khandy got blood clot. England, I see Roger brother and I'm blood clot. How much series, what one name? Beg. I want the man for fuck him and the man no fuck him.
Donia, Dyema, remember that Dyema? You see when Khandy shoot kids and them thing there, that means he round the table talk. So him and Donia keep on talk.
Nobody can round the table talk for me.
Around the table talk, man. So from Khandy not like you, Donia not like you neither.
Khandy none of them friend them. Never catch a cocky back on me yes, but like a split tail a blood clot. Khandy has somebody? I'll talk about your superstar you have song. You have somebody Khandy? You have somebody Khandy bend down and smell the pussy, man. Bend down, smell the pussy and wash out your pussy with liquid soap.
Yes.
Where? And fuck them the girl walk and sell fuck like a dog. Go England and look blood clot Roger cousin. And the man just can't go eat look dinner and left him back and hotel and look pan him a bum bucket. Look who come bucket. Can you move your come bucket blood clot? Cause I need more. Every boy walk and come in your mouth. Go come bucket. You can't talk to me. You can't talk to me. Can you not get no bookings in the cabin by Roger and no blood clot England? Look, can you no bookings you get, girl? I fuck you come for sell. I fuck you go by England for sell. Oh, Tada.
Our life, son.
I see somehow now come chat up on no more, but me hear the girl. I'm if you stay from here, the girl. And the girl hear me long time, Jayden. Me and the girl a play one cussing game one day. The girl a go cuss me pussy send man a prison. A long time she hate me. And I tell me if you go suck on my mama, a long time the girl hate me. And the girl chat to me through chat. See, me not play hypocrite. Me not play hypocrite. But me hate me because me want to. Don't me do it. Khandy me a forever 21 and blood clot under me go Khandy. Don't know in my age group a blood clot. Forever 21 and under no blood clot me go. Oh. A pedigree me blood clot go. Me no go mongrel. Forever 21 and under me go. Don't know in my age group a blood clot. You're out order. I'm feisty. I'm bright. Then if me could have want then if me really want Donia no Khandy, you could have sweep my foot off a ground. All comes. Donia not own you. Almost 1 year now you the own Donia not own you. Everything you put a face on a blood clot Donia shift you. Khandy no man now go own you because you come bucket. I wish boy go own one blood clot girl when they have blues clothes and walk with them. Who go own you? No boy now own you. Only thing the boy have to do walk and clean them blood clot rifle.
True.
I wish boy go take up your now and go bust out a kiss in a your face now. Wish boy go bust out for your tongue now. When any boy bust out your tongue, bust out, be a cocky. Any boy bust out your tongue, I'm ask eat and them there. Strictly licky but no blood clot. Any boy bust out like when they make gizzard a broad gun without blood clot. So they look at it. Khandy pussy broad and black. Khandy be thank God for bleaching. Cause when Khandy black, Khandy not really lookable. She not really ugly, but when she black, she not lookable.
Dyema don't her uncle fine.
Look here, we want chicken foot. The girl have chicken blood clot foot. They make her thank God for bleaching some of the time. She's not an ugly blood clot girl, don't get me wrong. But the girl have got a portion. Hey girl, drop your portion, little girl.
Hey girl!
Drop.
Her uncle fine and her heel back black and her toe top. And that me not like. She have a long time.
Remember she cuss and talk to her body big and her body broad. So all the blood clot you gonna run, gonna design a body now. You need to stay with a big belly if you did proud of it. You want to stay with a big belly. You say you're a blood clot superstar. I have to still got design a body go pay your money. You don't pay no money, Isaac. If me have Isaac, you don't pay no money if you don't know. Everything will be free. When luxury that call me plane ticket free, body free, every my blood clot free.
As a celebrity.
Free.
As a celebrity.
Free. Hey, who don't want to the place? Hey, who don't want to? Who don't want to?
As a celebrity.
I understand you have name and you don't have name to pay everybody. Me not have no name to pay for blood clot. Hey, if you call the star, you want the star. Anything I want to promote and link the star. Me not pay for nothing.
Thank you for the heart, man.
When you start, when you say you start, you don't pay for nothing. Everything come on your foot for free when you're a celebrity. Free, of course. Isaac, I couldn't tell last time buy a suit of clothes. When we go in our store and them say Dyema attitude, me say clothes, please. Hey, I know me make, hey, I know clothes wear me and me wear blood clot clothes. Khandy, you eat me because me all and clothes fit me. I young, I have to fight for wear clothes. Khandy, if you're not going to booty, you don't look good. Khandy, you can't wear flat slippers. Because you store them spread out like a shark teeth.
No, aren't total black.
Khandy, your foot big. Khandy, your foot big. Girl, if young and them foot big. Khandy, a size 4 me wear. So match up that. Khandy, move your big foot. Ice water measurement foot. Blood clot. Girl foot not big. Girl and them man up wear the same size.